Hello everybody. Today we are in Mississauga at the new location of one of the customers opening their new location. Let me quickly show you about the Clover, how it works. The Clover Flex is very user friendly. We have a couple of the things which you can use it. You can manage the inventory, like you have a register, order, refund. You can manage the inventory also. Anybody want to take the payments, you can directly take the payment from the machine, and also you can take it. So let me quickly go through this one. If you have a customer, you click on a register, and here you get all the list of the item which is registered. You can add it by yourself also. You can see the order summary. You can also refund as well, and you can see the transaction history. And here you can add the employee. Click on employee, you can add the multiply for employee also. The benefit of adding the employees, so let's say if you have 4 or 5 employees, so you can see end of the month their sales also. You can take the payment through the wireless, you can take the payment through the app also. There are so many benefits of the Clover because it's all in one machine. You don't have to pay separate money for the different company for the merchant and separate money for the POS system. And also we given the display system as well. So the benefit of that display is we given here whenever they are busy they can see the order, and we also given another display in the kitchen as well. So if you are also looking for any kind of POS system for your business, either in the restaurants, retails, or any location, just give us a call and we can also help you for all the better deals. Right now we have a promotion going on. Anybody who's going a POS system, they're getting this free cash draw. That's a part of the package. Plus, you don't have to worry. Whenever you have a system, you don't need to set up. We will come over there. We can set up also, and there is no cost for the setup. There is no cost for the application fee. Definitely, you pay some cost of the software fee and the monthly fee, which we have also a very special promotion. Thank you very much for watching, and give us a call for any help. Thank you. Solution.